So when should I hire a personal injury attorney? That's a great question because it's not always the same answer. That's not the first person you want to call when you're in an accident. You want to call 911. You want to get medical help. You want to make sure the police show up, get witnesses, things like that. So do not even think about an attorney until you have, got the police investigating the accident and you're taking care of your injuries with medical professionals. The best time to hire a lawyer after doing that is pretty much as soon as possible, once you know that you definitely have injuries that were caused by the accident. And the reason you want to hire an attorney sooner rather than later is because attorneys are experts at tracking down witnesses, gathering evidence, getting surveillance footage that might be relevant to the accident from local businesses or traffic cameras, police body cam footage. I mean, some of that stuff gets recorded over, or witnesses sort of disappear or forget the facts of the accident. So you want to preserve the evidence so you can prove the case. And the fresher it is, the stronger your case is. And also having a lawyer get involved with the insurance companies or the defense attorneys quickly helps you establish a strong case. And instead of, letting them think maybe you're not even going to bring a claim, or you make some calls and maybe not know exactly what to say, or disclose some information that maybe you shouldn't, like social security numbers, things like that. So having a lawyer to advise you right away is probably the best course of action. And the good thing about it is pretty much every personal injury attorney gives you a free consultation. So it doesn't hurt to even just reach out to a personal injury lawyer to see what they can do for you, and if now is the right time for you to hire one.